What if I told you that one of the most common foods people eat for breakfast, lunch, or even dinner might be secretly exhausting one of your body's most essential organs? Hi there, I'm Dr. Adams, and today I'm exposing a surprising food that's putting your kidneys under serious pressure. In just the next few minutes, I'll reveal what this food is, how it damages your body, and share 5 healthy, tasty swaps you can start enjoying today. Think of your kidneys as your body's natural purification system, constantly filtering out waste, toxins, and excess fluid. But like any filter, they can wear down when overloaded. Two major things that can quietly harm your kidneys are too much sodium and a certain form of phosphorus found in processed foods. When you consume these in excess, your kidneys are forced to work overtime, and that strain can cause real damage over time. This can lead to issues like high blood pressure, swelling, and eventually kidney disease. And guess what? There's one category of food that's loaded with these kidney-stressing ingredients more than almost anything else. So what's the main culprit? Processed meats. Yes, those convenient deli slices, sausages, and hot dogs. Let me break down the 3 hidden dangers that make them so harmful. First, the massive sodium content. Salt is added to processed meats to make them last longer and taste better. But just a few slices can contain nearly half of your daily sodium limit, enough to raise your blood pressure and put heavy stress on your kidneys.
Second, artificial preservatives. To keep them looking and tasting fresh, these meats are loaded with additives, especially inorganic phosphates. Unlike the phosphorus naturally found in whole foods, these artificial forms are absorbed almost completely by your body, and your kidneys have a hard time filtering them out. Third, unhealthy fats. Processed meats often contain large amounts of saturated fat, which increases your risk of heart disease. And since your heart and kidneys are deeply connected, damage to one can easily affect the other.
But here's the good news. You don't have to sacrifice flavor to protect your kidneys. Here are 5 delicious and kidney-friendly alternatives to processed meat. 1. Freshly cooked chicken or turkey breast. Roast or grill it yourself to control the salt and avoid preservatives. It's perfect for sandwiches, wraps, and salads. 2. Salmon or other fatty fish. Packed with omega-3s that fight inflammation and support kidney and heart health. 3. Tofu, a versatile plant-based protein that absorbs any flavor you cook it with, low in sodium and completely free of additives. 4. Lentils and beans, nutrient powerhouses full of protein, fiber, and healthy carbs, great for soups, stews, or veggie burgers. 5. Plain Greek yogurt, high in protein, great for both sweet and savory meals, and much easier on your kidneys. Just avoid the flavored versions loaded with sugar.
Remember, your kidney health depends on the choices you make every day. You don't need to be perfect, just consistent and mindful. Choosing freshly cooked meals over packaged processed ones can make a massive difference in your long-term well-being. Now that you know what foods to avoid, it's equally important to recognize the early warning signs of kidney trouble. Check out my next video where I'll show you how to spot them before it's too late. Thanks for watching, and take care of your kidneys. They take care of you.